Hi guys, it's Valerine behind the camera. We're all covered in snow. You've seen the place in videos, what it looks like in the summer months. Now this is what it looks like in the winter. Just finished helping the guys to clean the driveway. Now I'm gonna make my way back to my greenhouse because I am actually trying to get a little heat inside so I can start my seeds earlier this year. Come with me, let's see what we see on the way. This is the entrance to our home right here. Yeah, lots and lots of snow. And this is the quaint little shop over here. The eyelashes are bowing in snow. Usually I put something under them, so maybe I'll have to do that because I wouldn't want the snow to break them. Okay, let's go. On the way, we put this little umbrella here because when the power goes out, we take the generator out from this building and put it outside here under the umbrella. We're going into the backyard now. And this is my little path I just made to the greenhouse. So I'm just gonna trudge through the snow right now to get to the greenhouse. Yeah, there it is around here, all covered in snow. So I'm gonna get on inside and see. There's a bit of transformation going on in the back here. So in the spring, I'll show you guys what I am doing. I am extending my gardens, veggie gardens. It won't be all gardens, but you'll see. There we go. We're going inside. This is the back of my studio here. We haven't seen the sun much since the winter started. That's it, trying to peek out above my shop there. Okay, so yeah, really, we're going in now. There we go. Okay, it's a mess because I just chucked everything in here that I didn't get to clean up properly. So I'll have to do some work in here. But there's the electric fireplace that I have placed in the back there, trying to see if I can get it to work so I can at least heat the place up to above freezing. Right now my thermometer is telling me it's 0 degrees in here. I need it to get up to maybe 10 or 12 degrees thereabout above freezing. So let's see if it works. I'm trying it for the first time in here. Says it can heat up to 400 square feet. This is nowhere near 400 square feet. So I'll just gonna put this behind here. I'll see how we do. There we go. Oh, it's on, you guys. It's on. Okay. It's on. Can you see the flame? Yeah, it's on. Now I am going to leave it in here and then I'll check back in a couple of hours to see how much the space has warmed up. And I'll let you guys know how it works. Wish me luck. I need to get my seeds started earlier this year because last year it was, most of my crops were bust because I didn't get started early enough to get them to fruit before the cold months started, before the cold set in. Oh well, we're gonna leave the fireplace behind, and I was doing something in the studio, so I'm gonna head on back inside there and pick up some stuff to take inside the house, because I don't have I'm going through the snow. It's very deep. I don't have heat in the studio yet, and so I'm gonna pick some stuff up to take inside the house, but it's coming. I ordered a stove that should be able to heat up to 1,000 square feet. So it says it's electric, it's infrared, so I'll see how it does. I can't wait for it to arrive, because I want to be able to function in the space, because I'm more productive when I am in the space using it, because I have everything around me that I need, instead of having to take things to the house. There you are, guys. I'm inside now. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. Please share, leave a comment below, wish me well. Give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing, and remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.